Wanted to show a repair of the Time ATAC cross-country pedals. These have been great pedals, but the plastic body allows these little keeper pins to slip, and I was out on a ride and kept coming unclipped, figured out what it was, and did a little trailside maintenance so I didn't ruin my ride. But anyways, very simple fix. Just going to Lowe's, picking up a set of M5 little machine screws here, and a couple of the nylock washers for the M5.8. Very simple. Knock that pin out, find yourself a little punch or a screwdriver of the right size, and just tap it with a little mallet. Pops that pin right out. So the little knurling that they had on this didn't have enough bite on the body there, and it allows it to slip. Anyways, so you get that, get you a machine screw and a nut ready. So it goes in one way, you'll see how it lines up, just like that. So when you're looking at the pedal, the short side of the bracket and then the smooth part goes to the body, and then just hold that with your bottom fingers here. Drop your spring in and make sure that it's on top of, the spring is sitting on top of this ear and then on top of the tension adjuster, and then start to feed your screw in. Need just a little bit of tension there, and then using a screwdriver. It's tight fit with the 5mm, so it's this M5 bolt, so it's good. There's not a lot of play or slop in it, but you can see if you're lined up correctly, and then push it in. Alright, what I did was get a little bit of blue Loctite, little thread locker, put you a dab in there, put you a dab on the threads here, so that way it won't back off, and the nylock will be good too, but this is something that you shouldn't have to mess with. But anyways, like I was doing, I had the threads just barely showing, because you can see in this little corner here, it's a perfect fit for the hex. So I wanted to get that engaged quickly as possible, and then just try to thread in without cross threading. And okay, and I think I got it started there. Not perfect, but let's see what happens. Then get yourself some little pliers, hold tight on that, and then you're not going to fasten it completely, but just to when the threads are coming through your nylock, that's all you need to go. And once your threads are in there, then I put a good little bit on the back side as well, and just let it stand until that thread lock dries. But essentially you got this ghetto thing, but this is by far better than using my backup egg beaters. I hate those. These pedals, like I said, have been amazing, other than this little pin slipping through this body. Hope that helps anybody else out there. Thanks.